I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Walmart fuel discount. First, understand that this fantastic perk is a key benefit of your Walmart Plus membership, designed to help you save money on every fill-up. As a Walmart Plus member, you can typically enjoy a discount of at least 10 cents per gallon on fuel purchases. This applies to both gasoline and diesel, making your daily commute or long road trips more affordable. It's a straightforward way to add value to your membership. To access your fuel discount, you'll need to link your Walmart Plus account within the app of a participating fuel station, like ExxonMobil Rewards Plus or Sam's Club Fuel. Once linked, simply open the station's app at the pump and follow the prompts to apply your discount before you begin fueling. This seamless process ensures your savings are automatically deducted. You can enjoy this benefit at over 14,000 stations across the country, making it incredibly convenient. To maximize your fuel savings, consider combining your Walmart Plus discount with other loyalty programs offered by the fuel stations themselves. This can sometimes lead to even deeper discounts per gallon. While the program is generous, it's wise to be aware of any potential daily or monthly limits on how often you can use the discount. Always check your Walmart Plus app for the most current offers and to confirm which stations are participating, ensuring you always get the best deal. Remember to keep your Walmart Plus membership active to continuously enjoy these fuel savings. The discount typically applies to a maximum of 20 gallons per transaction, so keep that in mind for larger fill-ups. If you ever encounter any issues while trying to apply your discount, or if you simply have questions about the program, do not hesitate to contact Walmart Plus customer service. They are there to help ensure you have a smooth and rewarding experience with your fuel benefits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.